Create a simple yet attractive product photo with Canva. Open Canva and set up a custom size of 1500 by 1500 pixels, perfect for Amazon and social media. Add a photo of the product and place it in the center of the canvas. Now let's be creative. In the Elements section, type a word in the search bar that represents the product. In our case, it will be the key ingredients of the product. Find the perfect photo that fits your product and place it on the image, positioning it on one side of the product. Use position and select backward to place the first ingredient behind the product. Repeat the same action, but this time find a new element. Two elements should represent the product and communicate with viewers, delivering valuable information about the product. As the final touch, find a third element that highlights the product's nature. In our case, it's a cream texture. Place it on the opposite side of the product to create a balanced composition of all elements. Adjust the brightness of the elements by using the Edit button and adjust sliders. Before exporting, click on the product and add a drop shadow effect to make the product pop. The final image is ready. Click the Share button and download it in PNG format to upload to Amazon or social media.